For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
The robotization of numerous areas in the worldwide market has developed quickly over the course of the years as the industrialization of in a real sense each part of human existence became ordinary, like food administration, transportation, business, and the travel industry. This progress has helped the general advancement of significant pieces of the market and the ceaseless combination of the customary monetary market with the computerized resources industry. Tokenization of these modern cycles has turned into an essential component in empowering the development of the area in computerized reasoning, correspondences, and so forth. One of these tokens is the Ariva (ARV) coin. Ariva is viewed as a cordiality token for vacationers, intended to make a broad informal community of elements inside the area like inns or Airbnb, cafes, and touring, giving a consistent encounter to the typical market client. In this video, we assess Ariva cost forecasts from 2022 to 2030 with the guide of verifiable information and high-level specialized examination devices like activity RSI, obstruction level, mists, support levels, impartial extreme oscillator, and different variables. What will be ARV least cost esteem, the typical exchanging cost, and greatest cost esteem in the following several months, and does it make a productive venture? For what reason would it be a good idea for you to purchase Ariva in spite of the cost changes in the digital money showcase? When contrasted with the general crypto market feeling, as of now, the ARV market cap is by all accounts doing very much contrasted with the other advanced monetary forms. So what are the Ariva (ARV) cost forecasts? What is Ariva (ARV)? Ariva is a BEP20 token sent off on the Binance Chain network by Ariva company that objectives the travel industry and accommodation area while pursuing the worldwide reception of the computerized government capital. ARV has become one famous token from the principal quarter of 2022 notwithstanding the vacillations in the crypto market. It has worked for the movement organizations, and global the travel industry specialist co-ops repeated on clients' past encounters and criticism. An explorer can make appointments with the digital money while getting compensated for dropping input and sharing clever substance. Ariva (ARV) is helping the serious combination of cryptographic forms of money into the regular daily existence of a commonplace person while offering the purchasers a stunning encounter and quick installment network with their digital currency. As indicated by the ARV network engineer, the traveler business faces significant difficulties, similar to the need to convey cash, and the misfortunes brought about on account of trade rates. Ariva will dispense with these difficulties and make voyaging simple and helpful. The organization's primary point is to facilitate the expense of executing a high measure of cash while keeping up with the undeniable level security that the blockchain gives. They offer an answer for an expensive issue in the worldwide friendliness economy which likewise incorporates the steady trade of nearby monetary standards before a client is taken care of. Ariva (ARV) Fundamental Analysis. Starting from the formation of the social money Ariva coin, the web-based entertainment presence has been great in light of its creative assistance and ideas with the dynamic local area of in excess of 200,000 holders. As of late, ARV was recorded on significant trades, including bank, such as WAP, Stock, Whitebit, One Inch Organization, XD.com, Hotbit, PancakeSwap, Asbit, Dodo BSC, and Probit Global. They have facilitated numerous occasions that title the development and joining of blockchain innovation into the business and have since banded together with critical organizations in the area. Ariva has joined forces with the Global Tourism Forum and World Tourism Forum Establishment, WFI, two foundations that were made to universally energize the travel industry, social exercises. The numerous occasions that have been facilitated in the principal quarter of 2022 were worried about the revolutionization of the travel industry and travel area that executed the blockchain, expanding the extensive variety of installment decisions for explorers. Ariva (ARV) Current price. Ariva is right now worth $0.000142 US. ARV has moved -1.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,517,706. Ariva is right now positioned 763 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $10,329,651. Ariva, ARV, price predictions. The cost figures assess the market capitalization, greatest cost level, normal gauge cost, and the base value worth of ARV before long as indicated by experienced crypto examiners and specialized examination. Our cost expectation figures utilize constant Ariva, ARV, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market movement. Ariva, ARV, price prediction 2022. Ariva, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. ARV. The ARV cost estimate for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.000213. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $0.000199 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is plausible soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. ARV is supposed to have a base worth of $0.000170. Ariva, ARV, price prediction 2023. In 2023, Ariva ARV cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ARV will before long outperform $0.000355. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the ARV's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ARV will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.000284 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.000312. Ariva, ARV, price prediction 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $0.000497 and ARV might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ARV is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.000455 and a low of $0.000426 in 2024.